Friends and students, welcome to ASV Max and Dynamic YouTube channel. I am Sebastian. Today I am going to explain about the simplification problems. So please all of you, before watching this YouTube video, please like, subscribe and click the bell button. If you do like this means you will get my YouTube videos continuously. Let me come to explain the problem. Simplify. The problem is 3 over 5 x plus negative 5 over 4 negative 5 over 6 x is equal to 7 over negative 5. You see here, you know very well, if you see any problem, what you want to think first step, in the variable you have to keep it left side, the values you have to keep it in the right side, because equal is the center place. So from these things, this is the steps, so that next step how I am moving. So you see 3 over 5x, then here I am looking, here also x is there, so that negative 5 over 6x. So this is the first thing you want to do. Next thing, it is a value, so that you have to write without any changes, the places only you have to changes. So now I am writing the rearranging 7 over negative 5. Then here you see in the already you know the previous, I think last I uploaded the video. In the video I explained very well how you have to solve the rational number plus and subtraction. If you get it means how you want to solve. So please go through my video, then you have to follow. So in this, here in the denominator it is a different, because the variable is same, so we can take the variable outside, and also you will get the rational number. Then in the rational number denominator also different number. So now you want to make it, in the denominator it will become the same number. So what is the procedure? You want to take the two number, find the LCM. After that, any one value you can multiply here and the numerator with the denominator, and also another one number. If you multiply here and numerator and denominator, you will get the same number. So here only two numbers. So how I did means, I multiply 6 with the 3, 5 with the 5. Then if you multiply, so the procedure is, you see, and this is the procedure. I take the x outside, then this is the number. Next problem, I you see I change the sign also in this case. So I take the x outside, I change the sign, then the same structure. Then again I transfer the value from left to right, so that the sign also it will change. So I changed here also the same. Now you see in the left side also you have to use the LCM method, and the right side also you have to use, because you see here also the denominator is different, but in between the number it is a plus. Here also the denominator is different, in between the number is minus. Once you have minus and plus means you want to concentrate to think the LCM method like this. Otherwise multiply and divided means it is a different, but here minus in the two numbers, here it is a plus in the two numbers. So that you want to use the LCM method to make a denominator same. So I found here the cross multiply. But this problem, the cross multiply is suitable. Some problems it is not suitable, so that you want to find the LCM. After that only what is the LCM value. In the according to the LCM value, you have to do some values with multiplication, you will get the LCM value. Here also if you do means you will get the LCM value. Then if what is the value you are multiplying in the denominator, and the same value you have to multiply in the numerator. So this is the procedure, so that I multiply in the numerator and denominator, denominator. In the right side also the same thing. But according to the two numbers, you have to multiply. So I multiplied. Here the value is 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25, 5 6 5 are 30. I write it. Here then right side 7 in the 4, negative means negative. 28, negative 28, then 20, it is a 25, it is a 20. In the places you see here 30, 30, the two numbers 30, 30 means what is the procedure next step? In the denominator you can write only one number. In the numerator you can join 18 minus 25. The same cases here also. The denominator is 20, so numerator 28 plus 25 you can write it like this. From this case, you know it is a subtraction, it is a normal one. So you have to subtract this, you will get the value negative 7. Here also you have to subtract, you will get the negative 3, but in the denominator you have to write the same. So now you see here in the coefficient, the variable is x, coefficient is as a negative 7 over 30. So this rational number, otherwise the coefficients, how it will transfer to the right side means it is a reciprocal. So that you see here negative 7 into 30, but here 30 over negative 7. This is a procedure. This number, how it will move in the right side means this is the procedure. So you have to follow. When you are going to solve any problem, this is the way. You get it the point. Now you want to look, this is the way you can find any common multiplier, you can solve, cancel. This is the way you can cancel. Otherwise cross, in the cross you can cancel. This is the cross you can cancel, but don't cross in this way. So here it is a possible, so that I cancelled in this way. So it is a 4 5s are 20, 6 5s are 30. If you multiply you will get it there, negative 18 over, it is a negative 28. So it is also common multiplier is in the 2. So 9 over 14, the minus minus cancel. This is the problem. So the same thing, simplify. You see here it is different. It is also rational number, but here variable is there. So if you know the variable value, if you subtract, you will get the rational number. So, but it is the rational number. It is with rational number with variable. Here also it is a variable with the coefficient. It is a number. So this is the problem. In the problem, how we are going to solve means, please listen carefully. So this is the number, but here it is a rational number, so you want to make this number also a rational number, so that I put it the negative one. This is the first step. So after that, you know very well, in the denominator you want to make it the same. So what you want to do in the two numbers, which one is the LCM means x plus 3 only LCM. So already it is there, so here only we want to multiply in the numerator and denominator, so that I did like this. So after finishing the multiplication, so what is the value means x minus 2, x plus 3, it is a common. But in this case, you have to multiply. How you want to multiply? It is a common to two values. So 3x into x, 3x square, 3x into 3, 9x. So in the denominator, x plus 3. So in the term also x plus 3, here also x plus 3. So denominator is common. So what you want to do? In the numerator, you can join. Join. So next side, the negative 5 over 4. So after that, how you want to do means, in the x plus 3, because it is equal, you can multiply in the negative 5. The 4 you have to multiply with this polynomial, or the quadratic equation, because it is a higher variable power is 2. So now I multiplied with the 4, negative 5 into x plus 3. So in the cases, if you multiply means you will get it the expansion, the both side, left and right. You because each one you have to multiply 3x square with the 4, 10x with the 4, minus 2 with the 4. So you will get the values. The same procedure you have to follow the right side. Then the full expansion. Now if you get it means you here also the right side also variable is there. So what do you want to do? In the variable you have to make it in the left side. So all the values transfer to the left side. So once the value transfer means the sign also it will change. Now come to C. After simplification, we will get the quadratic equation. 12x squared plus 45x plus 7 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We follow the one is the quadratic equation, another one is the factor method, another one is the formula method. So now I plan to use the formula method. What is the formula for solving this quadratic equation means, x equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here the x square coefficient is a, x coefficient is equal to b, the constant is a c. So that I am taking. So now here you have to apply in the values after simplifying. This is the values, this is a square values, this is a multiplication values, this is a multiplication values. It is not a very difficult, it is a easy one, but you want to follow the procedure. If you follow, then definitely you will get the correct value. So after subtracting, then this is the final value. So because here the highest power is square, so we want to get it the two values of the x. So now you, if you find or simplify means it is a plus one term in minus one term, so that I am writing x is equal to negative 45 plus only. So this is our value. So here minus only, this is our value. After simplifying, this is one value, this is another value. Now if you if you use the calculator or simplify means this is the two values. So my dear friends, this is the way of finding the simplification. Please you follow my YouTube video. I will teach slow by slow each steps how to solve and jump the next step. Thank you so much.